In this video, we're going to discuss about another theory of IR and international political economy. Liberalism is one of the three major theoretical frameworks in IR. Liberalism एक ऐसी political philosophy है जो liberty की बात करती है, individual rights की बात करती है और rational cooperation की बात करती है among states. और किस तरह से states and non-state actors can cooperate with each other through institutions to achieve peace. और अगर economic interdependence होगी तो conflict के chances बहुत कम हो जाएंगे. Liberalism human nature को एक बहुत optimistic lens से देखता है that humans are rational beings और अगर उनको ये बात समझ आ जाए कि mutual benefit की बात हो रही है तो they would surely cooperate. और liberalism के through global relations में बहुत progress आ सकती है by promoting democracy, expansion of trade and normalizing organizations in international politics. Liberalism के according states are very important in international politics but are not the only actors. United Nations और World Trade Organization जैसी IGOs, NGOs या MNCs have influence and they matter. और अगर states एक दूसरे पर economically dependent होंगी, there will be political and cultural connections, तो peace की situation को maintain करने के लिए अलग से efforts नहीं करनी पड़ेंगी. And there is democratic peace theory. Democratic states के leaders हैं, they are accountable to their voters, so they are less likely to engage in war. This is all about liberalism. There are further types of liberalism. First of all, economic liberalism. अगर हम liberalism को international political economy की lens से देखें, economic liberalism says कि free trade होनी चाहिए, tariffs हटा दिए जाएं, restrictions हटा दी जाएं, quotas हटा दिए जाएं, ताकि एक efficient flow of resources हो सके और हर country के पास comparative advantage हो because each country have a specialty in creating certain type of product जिसको वो trade कर सकते हैं for others क्योंकि open market है and globalization is actually beneficial to all. अगर institutional liberalism की बात करें तो that talks about the role of international organizations that they're providing a platform for dialogue and diplomacy to resolve conflicts peacefully. And republican liberalism specifically talks about the promotion of democracies to maintain peace. And sociological liberalism outlines the importance of people-to-people contact through student exchange programs or cultural exchange programs. Last में I would like to clear something out because idealism और liberalism बहुत एक तरह के लगते हैं क्योंकि दोनों में cooperation की बात हो रही है. Idealism World War II से पहले का concept है जिसके according goodwill, morals and principles और international law के establish हो जाने से ही peace maintain हो जाएगा. Whereas liberalism talks about economic cooperation through trade जिससे states would be highly dependent on each other और conflict के chances बहुत कम हो जाएंगे. So this was the basic difference. You guys can comment down if you're team idealism, team realism or liberalism.